Hello friends, I am Malav and I welcome you all in my new video. In today's video, I am going to give you some more details about the Udemy courses which are available for free right now, and after that you will also get the certificate of completion. So I will give you the brief idea of the course, that what is this course and what is included in this course. If you want to learn the exact details of the course, then click on the link which is in the description and learn the exact details of the course, that what are the requirements, what are the do's and don'ts, and what are the exact things you are going to learn. So without wasting any short of time, let's move to our first course. Our first course is on financial accounting. In this course you will learn about some basic adjustment entries, how to post adjustment entries to a worksheet, creating a financial statement from a trial balance, etc. So this is a good approximately 11-hour course available for free for 2 days, and this course is comprising of 108 lectures. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Amazon FBA Book Reseller Pro. So in this course you will learn how to do online arbitrage, how to procure books from the very cheap price and sell it on a higher price, and how you can earn a passive income and start a part-time business from home. So good course, approximately about 5 hours, available for free for only 19 hours. So I will try to upload my video as soon as possible, so you can get the maximum advantage of the video. You just have to click on the link in the description and press the enroll now button to get enrolled for the courses. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on mathematical cryptography. In this course you will learn about RSA, AES, and cryptography curve. So this is also good and creative course of approximately about 5 hours and available for free for 2 days. This course is comprising of 39 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. Our fourth course is on Italian speaking. In this course you will learn how to speak Italian from very beginning. So if anyone want to learn a new language, then this is the best course for that. This course is about 3 hours and available for free for 1 day. In this course you will learn about how to count 1 to 1 billion in Italian, how to start basic speaking in Italian, etc. So and how you can introduce yourself in Italian. So a good course of about 3 hours, and after that you will also get the certificate. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is the most demanded one. Most of the people in my Telegram or in my YouTube comments told me to bring more courses on photography, so this is a good course for them. In this course you will learn about photography, as well as you will learn about video editing, search engine optimization, WordPress building, etc. So 3-hour course available for free for 1 day, and you will get the certificate after that. In this course you have to just watch 24 lectures. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on complete front end web development. So a good course for developers and programmers who want to create a website. In this course you will learn the web development using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap. 15-hour big course available for free for 1 day, so you can get the maximum advantage of this big course and learn the concepts very quickly and in very good manner. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Adobe Photoshop Essential. In this course you will learn how you can do photo editing with Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is a very good and very demanded software for photo editing, so a good course to learn and explore the Photoshop in a new way. A 2-hour on demand course available for free for 2 days. So I try to bring courses as soon as possible, so you can get the advantages of the courses for free. And now you just have to click on the link in the description and press the enroll now button to get the course for free. And if you remember one thing, if you don't enroll for the course in 2 days, you will have to pay the price to get enrolled for the courses. So take advantage of it. If your friend and relative also want to learn something new and also want to explore something new, so please share my video with them also, and so they can get also advantages of these courses. So this Photoshop courses is comprising of 40 lectures. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on forex trading system. So in this course you will learn how to do a forex trading and how to earn from it. So a very short, approximately about half an hour course available for free for 2 days, and after that you will also get the certificate. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on about Excel. In this course you will learn how to analyze the data in Excel, how to learn some new functions, how to create pivot tables, how to create filters and categories, transform data into information, and you will learn how you can create reports. So this is a course comprising of 64 lectures and available for free for one day. This is a very short 1 hour course, and after that you will get the certificate. You don't have to worry about any coupons. I will give you the direct link. You just have to click on my link and press the enroll now button. Now let's discover our next course. Our next course is on SQL for absolute beginners. In this course you will learn about DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. So this is a very good half an hour course available for free for one day, and only 6 lectures are included in it. So you will get the certificate in very short time. You will get complete this course in about 1 hour. I will say you will have to just spare your 1 hour and you will complete the course with very good understanding. So let's move to our next course. Our next course is on comic creation for entrepreneurs. So this is a really a creative course. This course is available for 2 days for free, and this course is comprising about 42 minutes. And in this course there is no details of lectures given here. Okay, 6 lectures are available in this course. So this is a good course and creative course. If you have a comic business or a novel business, then you can learn how to boost your sales, and you will, if you want to start some new business about comics or novels, then this is also a good course for you. Now let's discover our next course. Our next course is on data analysis. So good course for who want to learn data analysis. In this course you will learn how to do data analysis in real world. You will learn how to gather data, extraction and analysis of data, which will be ready for the use. So this is a course for 4.5 hours available for free for one day. In this course you will learn enterprise level text data analysis. You will learn import and export data, from extract text from PDF documents and do analysis, etc. Good course to get enrolled for. In this course you will get 62 lectures, and after that but obvious a certificate of completion. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on the time management revolution for entrepreneurs and employers. In this course you will learn how you can learn the time management. In this course you will learn about 4 essential pillars of time management for entrepreneurs, that is planning, focus, automation and delegation. In this course you will get about 21 lectures and 2.5 hours course available for free for one day. And now let's discover our next course. Our next course is on Linux. So in this course you will learn from very beginning to advanced level about Linux. In this course you will learn how to get started with Linux, app development, server configuration, networking and become a system administration. So good course to learn something new. This course is about 8 hours and available for free for one day. After that you will have to pay the price to get this course. 86 lectures is included in it. The good course to get enrolled for and learn something new. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Salesforce platform app builder. So this is not available for free right now. This is showing price right now, so I think the coupon will be expired, so I will remove this course and not give the link of this course in the description. Now so our next course is on improve your American accent. In this course you will learn how to improve your American accent with K method. So in this course you will learn about some new tips and tricks and systems that are available for free right now, and you will also learn some tricks that are used by Hollywood actors to improve their in accent. So good course to get enrolled for. 1.5 hour on demand course available with some practical assignments and available for free for one day. Now let's move to our last course. Our last course is on test your computer knowledge. So this is not a basically video course. In this course you will have to give the practical test. In this course you will have to give 6 practical tests comprising of 100 questions, and after that you might not get certificate. I think this is not mentioned here, so be sure if you want to give the practical test and test your knowledge, then this is a good test for you. So that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel, because I am regularly giving updates of these free courses in my YouTube channel as well as my Telegram channel. So subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with all your friends, relatives and etc. They can also get the maximum advantage of my courses and my videos. So stay at home, keep learning. Thank you so much.